Look this question, 6 minus 6 times 8 minus 8. If you look this portion 6 minus 6, after solving we will get 0 here, and other portion is 8 minus 8, which will also gives us 0. So 0 times 0, our answer will be equal to 0 or nothing. So it is wrong. I have to remove the question and solve the question according to this rule: parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction rule, PEMDAS rule. So according to this rule, we have parenthesis. No, we don't have parenthesis. So it is omitted. Exponent is also missing. Next is multiplication. Yes, here is multiplication. 6 minus 8 minus 6 times 8, which will result 48, and minus 8 will be as it is. Now 6 minus 48 will be equal to minus 42, and that one minus 8 will be written as it is. So after calculation we will reach minus 50. That will be our answer according to PEMDAS rule.